freshly delivered off the lorry from Germany. We have our new Kramer KL55.8T, which is the largest telescopic wheel loader in its class. So it's here as our new demonstrator. It's got a very impressive 5.5 ton tipping load and a 5.4 metre bucket pivot point load. It's 40 kilometres an hour on the road, so it's nice and comfortable. It's also some cracking Michelin tyres. It's got auto greaser, it's got an air seat, it's got aircon. It's got the bigger 180 litre a minute pump and also the bigger 155 horsepower Deutz engine. So if you want to see it, why don't you get in touch with your local area sales manager, and we can get this on farm for demonstration soon.